Consistently getting clients is one of the hardest things about running a business, but we found that the best way to get a client's attention is an Alex Hormozi style offer where we go in, DM them, and then tell them that we created a demo and that we can send it to them so that we've already created the value. That's the best way to get their attention. And here it's important to use platforms where your ideal client is active, but we usually use LinkedIn groups. You can find a lot of different people in here, but if you know that your clients are more active on Instagram or Facebook, then you should use that, and you can use the same outreach strategy there. We found that one of the best ways is to go to a LinkedIn group, show all members, and then find CEOs in here by using the search bar. So when you use the search bar, the top profiles always come up. You can use all different letters and they'll pop up. So in here, you want to go for the vice presidents, the CEO, the COOs, and the lowest I'd usually go is the sales manager because they still have something to prove and they can still somewhat make decisions as well. So what you do is you find one that you want to DM and you either hit them with a super niche question about their industry that they would be prone to respond to, or you can go for a more general approach, which is this one. Is this the best place to ask a question? It works in every single industry. It gets people's attention and they usually reply yes. And once we actually get a response, we want to send them something along the lines of, I actually created an AI demo based on company name's website. Do you mind if I send it over? And once you get a yes, you want to go to testmyprompt.com and build an AI in 5 minutes that you can send to them. You just give it a name that you want them to see. You pick the industry they're in, you pick the language, and you choose either sales or support AI. Then it autofills the whole thing. And if you want to, you can actually add your own questions in here. And then you can import all their company information from their website by clicking import from website page and turn into FAQ. Once you have the build, you click on it, you go to test agent, change the name to whatever you want it to be up here. You can also enter a logo if you want to make it super personal. And then you can also change around the colors if they have some company colors that you want to fit the demo. You choose the build. You can also change the initial message that they see. And then once you've done that, you can create a demo for them. Usually I'd give them 20 to 50 responses to make sure they're not going to overuse your API. And then once you click create demo, you're going to get a shareable link that you can send to them. And then once you've copied this link, you can actually send it to them on LinkedIn. And this is what is going to pop up. And they can just try the AI for themselves. So what's super important as well is once you've actually sent them an AI, make sure to follow up with them consistently to see if they're actually interested and if they checked it out. And what you're going to see is that a lot of these deals, they're going to come through from the follow-up because yes, initially they are interested, and once they have the demo, they may not be as motivated to go through it. So that's why following up is very, very important, and that the majority of the deals are going to come through from consistent follow-up. And the reason this works so well is because you go in and you create a demo for them personally. They'll open up this site and they haven't seen anything like it before. And once they're curious, you want to go for a one-to-one meeting and book them in. And you can do this in 2 ways. You can either set it up manually by messaging them and asking them, or you can send them a booking link through your website, which looks more professional. In the next video, I'll show you how to build this credibility with a website, how you get a phone number, how you take payments, and also how you can get this booking link that you can send to your customers.